Hey, today's installation of the Central Nervous System Reset Program is focusing on a slow breath. There's tons of research showing that when we breathe slowly, intentionally, it benefits our cardiac system, it benefits our vagal nerves so that we are more likely to feel more relaxed rather than in fight, flight, or freeze. And it benefits our overall stability, mood, metabolism, the whole smash. So it may feel like a meditation because it's got such a slow, methodical nature to it. Notice if your thoughts start to pull you away, totally natural, just bring them back. And most importantly, to the sensation of the breath, so you can feel yourself breathing. Let's get this party started. We're going to begin. You can allow your eyes to close. All the breathing is done in and out through the nose if possible. So we'll take a big breath in. And then a slow exhale. Let yourself breathe in. And breathing out. Continue. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Keep breathing nice and slow. When we bring our breathing rate down 5 to 10 breaths per minute, that's where all the goodies reside. That's where we want to be. Our system feels comfortable and relaxed. So let's continue. Feeling the breath. Going in with your mind's eye and being the breath that's expanding you. And the breath that is being released. Staying with it as the mind may try to take you somewhere else. It's okay. Just come right back here. And expand through the forehead as you continue to breathe. conclude the breathing practice portion with 3 more deep, full breath here. And when you finish the 3rd exhale, slowly let your eyes open, just turning your attention inward and noticing again, how does your body and mind feel? Do you feel a little more at ease, a little more relaxed? This is a tool that we each have at our disposal at any point. You can slow your breathing down, and it can bring you into this state of greater calmness and clarity and ease. So we feel more at home in our bodies no matter where we are. Continue this feeling. We're going to move into Vipariti Karani. I recommend putting your legs up on a wall. However, I don't have a wall here that I can do that with, so I'm going to do it on this banister. It just goes to show you that you can do it on almost anything. You can also do it on a couch, putting your calves and bent knees over it. However, extending your legs is going to give you more benefit from this pose. So what you would do is take a bolster and you'll place it so it's at your low back is going to go on that bolster, your sacrum. Now, if you are a pregnant person, you can turn it. In your past 20 weeks, you can turn that bolster. It can be elevated with blocks underneath it. I would go to 20 to 30% of an angle upward so that you're not depressing the vena cava. If that is not you and you're not a pregnant person, you can take the bolster as it is, and then I like to put a little pillow up for the back of my head, and I'll always put it so it's just grazing the tops of my shoulders but supporting my neck and the back of the head. You'll come over to wherever your bolster is and the wall and scoot yourself on top of the bolster. So you're actually sitting on it for a moment, then swing your legs towards the wall. And then, or the banister, as it is in this case. So if I was at a wall, I'd be able to pull my hips a little closer into the wall. Your butt doesn't have to be touching the wall, but you want to kind of be in the same zip code, same area. Put the blanket or pillow under your head. Now, if you want more grounding, you can place your hands on your abdomen, gently pressing into the vagus nerve. You can also put a book or a bolster on, or a block on your lower abdomen, and that will do the same. So I'm going to reach for a book out of my bookshelf, and scooch a little closer, and then let your eyes close here. And you can return to that breathing that we just did, nice and slow, intentional, or you can simply just relax. Now, if you want to stay here longer than the 4 or 5 minutes that we're going to spend together, you can put a yoga strap around the bottom of your legs, around the thighs, and that's going to hold your legs in place so you really can relax. And then let your eyes close. Let your bones sort of drop a little closer to the earth. And you can stay here for anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. Some people will stay longer, just listening to your body and what it needs. It's a very soothing, calming pose that the yogis call the fountain of youth pose, because it helps with varicose veins and stimulates healthy relaxation that promotes actually a boost in energy ultimately. So when you're ready to, if you put something on your abdomen, go ahead and move that off. Draw both knees into your chest and tip over. You can tip over onto your left-hand side and then pressing yourself up to seated. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I will see you next time.